Hey everybody, this is Kent Schrum with St. Louis Foundation Repairs. We're in Shrewsbury, Missouri, doing a negative side waterproofing job. This will also be a wall stabilization job. Just wanted to show you what the wall looked like before. This is an old poured concrete wall. This wall we're not going to do anything with at this time. So what we do is we remove all the paint, get down to the Portland parging that is on the wall. This is what the wall looks like right now. This has got 2 coats of our slurry mix on it. As also, we've done repair work with mortar patch repair material that filled in all the places where the concrete was missing. Now this slurry and our repair material over the years, and as the back side of this gets wet or damp, this will crystallize and help to strengthen this wall and help the waterproofing even more. So this wall, it goes all the way down. It's about 50 feet long. We're also going to put a 3rd and possibly a 4th coat on this. This is where we've ended. This is what the wall looks like after we've ground off all the paints and taken off all the loose debris. Now this is, zoom in here, Keegan. This is an area where some of this parging has fallen off, and what's happened here is water has come through this area over the years and has washed all the Portland out of that area. So we'll patch that with a mortar patch repair mix prior to putting our slurry coats on. So stay tuned for other videos for this project. We're also going to do a wall stabilization on this project as well. My name is Kent Schrum, St. Louis Foundation Repairs. You can call us for all of your foundation repair and waterproofing needs at 314-520-9515. You can also visit our website at stlouisfoundationrepairs.com.